Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here select storage. Once it loads, you can click right here on this drop down menu, select your SD card, and from here click on the three dots and format. This will give you a pop-up letting you know that formatting will remove all the data from the card, so if you have anything on it that you would like to preserve, make a copy of it before you go any further. Now I don't have anything here, so I'm just going to select format SD card. As you can see, it begins the process. Now this only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go, so click on done and that's it. Card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.